Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Price of Patience. All right, where our optimism is
Andrea.
half full.
Yeah, half full, always better than half empty. Good
Always. All
morning,
right.
by the way.
Good morning.
Hope you guys survived yesterday's dump.
And what a dump we had. We had a serious drop yesterday on NASDAQ with non-farm payrolls came in heavier than expected. Um,
Mhm.
yeah, and the market didn't like that. You saw a huge sell-off, and arguably in tech, the sell-off was the worst. You see on the 4 hour here, there is a ton of volume here. And there's articles saying that this is the most hedge funds have ever dumped stock um, in a single period of time since like 2000 and I want to say it's 2010, some sort of record. Some sort of record. Hedge funds are really dumping tech stocks pretty bad. All right. But when you look at the Dow, okay, what is the Dow doing on the larger time frames? Let's see. We zoom out to the daily on the Dow. Dow's pumping all time highs. So what does that tell you? Rotation. That's right. Tech is dying and the Dow is
What is the
running
Dow
down.
doing?
People are buying blue chip stocks and stocks that, America's built on, Coca-Colas and Berkshire Bees and all the things you in SHC, SCHD and dividend stocks, all types of, little stocks you want in your portfolio just to hold on to. Um, People are buying the dip right now. It is a half day. You got to ask
Yep.
yourself, is this traders or is this retail? The volume would say hedge funds are AFK. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. So the forecast for today, it does look like the bulls are trying to take us through there up into 29,920 is looking like where we are in a trajectory to go. I would argue that we could go up, and above, 303, but I feel like the strongest argument would be that after a drop like this, that we are going to find some resistance and start to do some sort of pullback. Do I see any sort of structure that, may have created some fair value gaps over here? Or anything where price might feel like it needs to come and revisit these orders that are just sitting. Absolutely. We moved up really fast, and what goes up fast can also come down fast. So don't be fooled
Mhm.
by how far it's come. Don't be surprised if you see this actually come back to hit the level that it never hit, which is 29,280. That does seem to be on the market's radar as well. You know? So, my friend, you got anything to add? Any other comments, different perspective?
Mm, Not, not really. I think you said it all. I think our TA said it all this week. Um, so I don't think we have anything to add. My only question is, we'll find the lower high somewhere and finally take the weekly low, or that won't happen today. That's my question. Um, I still have that issue with TradingView where my daily and weekly charts timeframes are saying that we are already Monday. I don't know why. Trying to figure that out. But okay. I see Randall in the chat. Good morning, sir. Um,
Nice. I'm gonna
says,
switch for you.
you can, but I have nothing going on right now. So
Mhm.
yeah, 4 hour. He says, what a retrace from yesterday's dump. That 4 hour ascending triangle played perfectly. Um, yeah, if this is what you're thinking, to be honest, I was expecting um that what was the Tuesday, Wednesday, that we're gonna get a little bit higher than we did, and then come down. But I guess it is MQ decided just to drop. So yeah. Um, and right now, what I would be looking is we still have here we don't. This is the only 30-minute fair value gap that we still have here. Okay, so let's use this one. Why not? Mm, I will mark this, and then if we take a look at the 4 hours, that actually aligns quite good. I will mark the 4 hour fair value gap too. That this was the actually this was the fair value gap. I will even mark that. Let's go on 1 hour. Uh, Pretty similar situation. We can go a little bit higher based on 1 hour 30,010. Mm, but yeah, if I'm honest, now I have to see how this thing will develop because we've been pushing since yesterday. Um, and this is what nice 500 points move to the upside without any pullback, basically. So yeah, patiently waiting, right, for something to play out. Okay, I like this downtrend value area low is nicely aligned with the 30-minute fair value gap. So I guess if we don't close any candles in this rectangle, thing might come like reject from here. And we have to note, like, yes, New York is short hours, but London and Asia are normal trading days. So maybe London give us a move today.
Mhm. Very possible. Very possible. Yeah, we're seeing RSI at a pretty bullish area. We're dealing with some resistance right now. There's just a little patch of orders, sellers that we got to push through on NASDAQ, but they're pushing through. Short days are historically days where the price moves up. So, don't be surprised if, price likes to take the scenic route and go sideways and down.
Mhm.
But by the time we close this session, I would expect the price to be, up in a surprisingly high place. So prepare to be surprised and don't be afraid to look for longs off of the lows. But also, in the meantime, don't be afraid to look for a short if it makes sense either. So, uh, whatever you do, try to avoid diddling in the middle. That could hurt your account. You know, um, look for a high time frame bounce off the 9 EMA for the continuation on the 15. Maybe the 30 even might be safer, considering it's a low volume day. If you want something solid, if you want to have a generous stop loss, look at that. The 30 is 9 EMA has been untouched. So you get that first touch of the 30, you're golden. I think that we're gonna have a nice little move off of that. So right now that is 29,732. That has a little bit of confluence. but not much. But I do like it. I do like it. I prefer like 29,725 ish because it's protected by that natural 20 resistance.
You prefer that over what?
29,732, which is the 9 EMA on the
Uh,
30.
okay, okay. Yeah.
Hey, because
Uh,
the
our
day low
friend Randall
volume.
says he's he wants to see 7740 to re-enter long.
774 for reentry. Okay, I see that. Yeah, I mean, right at the top of the 80s, right below the 80s is good. If we dip below the 80s, we probably will come to 70 flat. I'd like 70 flat a little more, but whatever's clever. Depends on your stop. So, if you're in the audience, I'm going to put a question out there in the chat, and you guys feel free to answer it. I'm going to have to charge my tablet so I can do that, but get around to that. But the question of the day is going to be, what is your average stop loss on NQ in points? Is it 10 points? Is it 15 points? How many points are you risking?
Maybe people don't have stop losses. Maybe they go all in.
What's a stop loss? Well,
What is
it's a thing that some loser traders like us use.
it?
You guys who are real traders don't use stop losses. So if I can go back and tell myself one thing when I first started trading, I'd be like, don't you ever think about using the stop loss. I wouldn't say that at all. I would never say that.
Oh, and by yeah, I'm trading 5 micros, so it is important. 5 yeah, micros, not minis, micros. And you are on the live account or you trade prop firms like we do? Oh my God. Oh, I just realized I haven't even connected to my broker. That's fine. Oh, yeah.
30-minute on the NQ is nothing but green candles.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That cannot stay like that for sure. Now my question is, are we gonna make another low, or we have to make just a higher low from there and then continue going higher? Yeah. So, mm, just to be fair, I don't have a trading plan right here. This
Yeah,
is
prices.
Yeah, even 1 minute. Like, look, what was? Is this a gap or no? Why did it push so much at 1 o'clock? Actually, 3 o'clock. Um, I guess Asia open. I guess Asia
Prices,
open here, and we had a push up. Um, yeah, more or less.
prices moving
Um,
on the Dow is consolidating, but I keep getting into profits though on the long. So
yeah, I think this looks to me like a grind higher, so I would like to see some kind of how do you say like some faster price action.
yeah, we're just at resistance now. I think if we can push through, we'll push up. We just got to see if we're
Okay,
gonna rip or reject.
let's see. Could I ask you that we change screens for a second so I can just log in quickly?
All right, let me put this here. There you go.
Thank you, thank you.
Yep, yep. Let's check on this Dow trade. We're long in the top on Dow right now. Let's see. On 5 minute, we did kind of pull back into this consolidation. We are close that. We're just going sideways. I mean, I see this as us basing at the bottom of this range, barely. Bulls look like they're trying to hold it down. I got my stop under the bottom of this range. And yeah, just gotta see. Is the Dow gonna continue to pump? Is it gonna
Oh, I
move quickly?
just, yeah, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
No, I just the notification and got reminded that there is that trading competition, trading forex.
Oh, okay. Was it a funded hero?
Or to paper trading. I don't know.
And it's either funded hero or CME. Now CME does futures, but funded hero is great for forex competitions. Um, haven't heard from Tradeify since that event. Wonder if anybody new won the Tradeify event. That'd be interesting. The big one.
Um, let me check. I should actually start using community for the
Say your stream seemed to your audio seems to be a little muffled.
Okay, so my broker is also not working. Like I cannot log in. You hear me?
I hear you now, yeah. All right, let's zoom into this thing. Let's see if we can get a better look at NQ. Oh, you know what? I think I know what's going on.
Am I back yet? Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yep, loud and clear now.
No, yes. Okay. I guess just internet lags. Um, I'm not sure, but you stop sharing the screen on Zoom or no? But I cannot see it. So
Did I? I didn't. No, let's go back here. I'm still screen
let's,
sharing according to. Let me double check. And
try
yeah,
to
there.
connect my share again.
Yeah, still sharing on Zoom.
Okay.
Okay, here's our little pullback on NQ into the flag. 1 o'clock. What's 1 o'clock gonna bring us? Is it gonna bring us green candles or red candles?
Lip. Ah, we are we are late actually. The registration is over.
What's that? Oh, the
The
competition
registration
building.
is done. It's yeah, the competition is live already.
Hmm.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I think we're gonna break out of this flag to the upside on NQ. That pullback was a great opportunity. So congratulations to you. If you got in the 70s, that was you'd be up about 20 points right now. I'm wrong with 20 points. Going on 30. I think I am gonna kind of FOMO in if we jump back. I like longs off of the 780s. Actually, I like what Carlos was saying about the seven 770s and 760s. Hmm,
Oh, I'm sorry.
makes a lot of sense. Right here, the 753. This is there's an area here. There's an area here that we need to come to 47. Okay. So when we see a pullback, I am expecting to see 747. When we get in those we get anywhere in the 740s, I'm game to go long.
Stop filled.
Start to build a position here. Did I got stopped out on my Dow trade. Dow's coming down.
So they are actually going opposite, huh?
Yeah, the Dow's okay, it just swept liquidity. It's either gonna volume just spiked. Okay, so yeah. Liquidity
What?
just got swept. We might be pushing from here, or if there's a continuation, I mean, yeah, we're either gonna go up or down. So extraordinary analysis, right? But
I'm confused. I'm sorry. I just saw a sailing boat going like I don't know, 20 miles an hour.
yeah, a sailing boat. What kind of you got a
Yeah,
tornado out there?
I'm so I'm super confused. I'm
Uh,
super confused right now. Maybe not 20, but like definitely too fast for a sailing boat.
yeah, yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Maybe they're being carried by hippos. Who knows?
Oh my God. Okay.
All right. And Q, are you gonna really drop for us right now, NQ?
No, 5 minute 14 SMA here.
Yeah,
Might be a good long.
I like it. I like it, but yeah, I'm curious. Curious. Oh wow, we're getting a lot of volume on this candle. Yeah, you
Yeah,
think you were right about that. Oof.
I was a little bit late and price is gone, bro. What was this? Like
Yeah, what do they got? Some news in
30 points
Asia
move
right
and
now? It's the relative volume on this candle is
yeah,
huge.
some news in Bangkok.
Yeah, man, right now.
Okay.
Oh, Trump just tweeted and said he's coming out with a new sneaker.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Okay. I'm sure that would move the market though. Trump coming out with some sneakers. That's bullish. Bullish for Nike.
Everyone is a sneakerhead.
The golden Trump. There was a lot of volume behind that. Somebody is bullish. I think I'm with you.
Can we continue?
I think so.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm long at 816.
Nice.
We'll see how nice it is pretty soon.
I think so. I went long at 23.
Mhm.
I almost got stopped. Almost. Now I'm still in drawdown. So I think
Yeah.
we might see a push, and I'm aiming just for the top of this last move. Nothing crazy, just a scalp.
Okay. Yeah. Nothing
Scalp,
too
scalp.
crazy.
Yeah,
Scalpy scout,
300, 350 bucks.
Yeah, I think once we push to the 20s, it's clear skies to the 50s.
Shall I adjust that then? But you know what? I will take.
Gotta zoom out to
I
see.
will take half limit sell.
See
Take
that
five,
kind of
and then
consolidation are we dealing with? Okay, so the top of this consolidation take us to the 80s. All right, so yeah, I mean, if it does push through the 20s, we can go all the way up to the 80s before we have any real resistance up there. We got the 80s and above is going to be a little tough.
I
Unless we get
agree.
some
I agree.
price.
And those 80 are perfectly in the middle of the 30-minute fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. Good morning, good evening, everyone. What are we trading today? Tonight, this morning.
Don't forget our question of the day today. How many points do you risk on a trade? You put your stop loss down 10 points under your entry. Do you put your stop loss down 15 points under your entry, 20 points? I feel like the average is 10 or 15, but prove me wrong. Let me know what you like to do. Or of course, the popular answer if you're a DGen, what's a stop loss?
The stop loss, yeah.
What are those?
Can we actually, okay, here we go. Back in green, it's trying. Can we make the poll? How can I make the poll?
Yeah,
Or
we
do
got
we make
about one more time. If we pressure these 20s one more time, it's about to go rocket mode.
rocket mode? Oh, okay.
Mhm.
So I cannot make a poll, huh? Okay. Anyway. It's trying. It's rejecting my entry.
It really is. As soon as you got to the 23 area, I was like, no more.
Mm,
But that's normal because it's the 20s. So 20s usually get tested about 3 times, and then we push through and go to the 30s and 40s. And the 20s become support when it was resistance before. So I think we got about one more time to see the 20s before we don't see them for a while. It's like third or fourth touch of the 20s now, so this should be it. It should be it. My calculations are correct.
Of course, it stopped me. It stopped. Yeah, it literally stopped me, and then it went. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can re-enter maybe. Oh my God, what can we do there? Don't go without me like that. Oh my God. So enter and it pulled back again. Right, this is okay. Oh wow, I almost. Oh my God.
Look at that. Jeez, it's crazy way.
I said I don't want to trade here, and then I go in. Oh, yeah.
Wow, what a push. 27, 5. Where are the 30s? I want to see the 30s. I want to see the 40s. Tired of seeing 20s. Okay. Here, just consolidate something fierce today, man.
Mm,
Well, I guess it's a short session, not a lot of volume, so these things take time. Isn't that what they
it
say?
will take its time, yeah.
These things take time, but eventually we're gonna get it. We're gonna get the push we know we've been waiting on.
I'm in queue. That depends on the market behavior for me, but I try not to enter. That puts me in a stop environment. I can cut immediately, but the chop can whipsaw you badly. Yeah, that's what Randall said. Okay, but yeah, you haven't posted the question, right?
Not yet, not yet. I was waiting for it. My
Am,
tablet to charge.
am I able to do it?
Yeah, yeah, you should be able to.
Oh my God, why did it go in this form? Let me check something. Yeah, I guess we cannot.
Doesn't let you post anything in chat.
No, I posted, but it completely changes the. It just puts it in one line. No. Okay.
How many times are we gonna consolidate?
I don't
Consolidate.
know. I
Consolidate.
don't know.
I've never seen us test the 20s this many times. Makes me believe, I don't want to believe it, that we're going to do one or two things. We're going
Oh,
to keep
write them down.
consolidating. If we touch this 90 in May, we're going to blast off in the 5 minute. And I think we might just be doing that right now. Uh, Waiting for the 90 in May to catch up to blast off. But if we break below that 90 in May, trouble. I smell trouble. It doesn't smell good. Mhm. I see bear dips on the RSI too, so I don't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
It's and look at those last 2 weeks on the 5 minute. Okay, now we are seeing some kind of a push, but
Yeah. Okay.
we have 5 people watching. Only one said good morning. So don't be alerted. Say good morning. Say what's up.
That's it. That's all. Say what's up. Oh man. We really can't get to
Don't make me.
8K.
Don't make us cancel your premium subscription on YouTube. We can do that because we can see you. Just saying.
That's right. Don't get your
Say good
premium.
morning or good evening.
Uh, Looking for how I interact with the chat here. Let me see. I haven't messed with this. No. Studio mode.
No, we can.
Can't do it on here, right?
Not yet. No.
Okay.
Have to be patient.
We have to pay the price of patience.
People could help us by saying good morning, by pressing the like button, pressing subscribe button,
Mm-hmm.
just commenting in general. But
That's
I see
right.
people prefer just watch, just look from the sidelines and do not interact. That's fine. I mean, completely fine to be shy today. It's 2026.
Yeah. And just steal my trades, and watch how good this
Yes.
for
And
us.
don't say thank you. Don't say thank you. Don't post W in the chat. Don't do anything. No,
I
and
think
then
they
actually you can go to your social media and sell the course.
you
That
can
would
sell
be
our
good.
course. We have a
Yes.
great course.
That's
You have
good.
to be ready for the course.
Yeah, exactly. Prepare yourself here and then go and sell, and that's it.
Yeah. So if you're in this trade with me now, you're gonna make enough money to buy my course.
Yeah.
Nah, you'll make enough money to hit the like button. You'll make enough
How
money to subscribe.
how's that guy like who made the book like how to become a millionaire?
Mm-hmm.
And he
Page
then he
one, become a millionaire.
And then he asked for his friend to borrow whatever 100K or I don't know to publish the book. He was like, "Bro, you did not read your book or what?" Grand Rising DDB. Morning, morning. How are you doing today? Yesterday you said you got stopped. How is it going today?
Coming down in Canada crazy.
Hmm. What do we have? 7. That's that hour. We were a little bit late today with the stream, so we have that. No, I'm sorry. This is the hour when we should have the move. So prepare
Mm-hmm.
yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 10 minutes just opened, and it made no wick to the upside. So careful. Careful. Yeah, but I already hit my daily loss with those. With that chop, I went to big by accident to have it. So I think I'm good for the day. To be honest, I want to end
Mm-hmm.
the week, on a positive note. Don't particularly like this price action, but what we can do for fun, I will log out from this and I will actually log in the paper trading and let's go crazy. Let's make millions.
Let's make millions paper trading. Okay. Yeah, it's always
Yeah,
fun. Looking
yeah.
for rhythmic. Because a friend of mine gave me their account because they accidentally bought a rhythmic trading account. And no, Rhythmic Trader Pro.
Wait. What do you mean?
My friend of mine, accidentally, they were trying to buy a Apex account,
Okay,
and
and they bought Rhythmic. They bought Rhythmic.
they bought Rhythmic instead of Trade of Eight.
Then go to Trade C. Trade SEA.
Okay.
Trade C, and there you log in with your Rhythmic.
Uh,
Um,
uh,
yeah, and it's actually very similar to TradingView, a little bit better actually than like chart is from TradingView, but the trading UI is same, but you can see your profits, so it's a little bit better, I would say.
your edge in every trade. Okay.
Okay, so account balance, we have 99,945 on this account. I guess realized PNL plus 9. No, that's not true. Order history, balance history. Yeah, I lost one. I lost one trade, 55. 55 bucks on this paper trading account. Um, Margin, what is that? Margin, units. I need unit. M and Q. Can we go with 100? Yeah, we can. We can go with 100. I mean,
TradeC.ai. Okay, here we go. This is me, Double D.
double G. Placed some trade earlier. This rising, still not doing that good. Thanks for asking. You sure, bro? Now, want it or not, you're now part of the community here, so of course we're gonna ask.
Nice.
No,
Imagine a pullback at 1 o'clock. Huh? Who would have guessed?
yeah. Um, just careful today. It's short hours, so probably lower volume. Just have that in mind, and yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm looking for shorts now that we're below the 90. And man, I just want to see a candle close
But 10 minute
through
has no upper wick, so I'm going.
along this.
I'll
This
go
would be a good
crazy.
look.
I just went 200 contracts long.
There you go. I mean, hey, Let's see it. I'm gonna put you on the big screen while I log into something.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let's go. We are printing money.
It's a paper trade, so it's got a pretty high
No, it's not.
probability.
No, it's not. It's
No,
my
it's
real
still
money. No, it's
real
not.
money. Yeah, exactly. Got the highest probability of success here.
Yeah, we're gonna go crazy. I'm gonna aim for the 80s.
That's 790. Look at that. We got into the 790s.
Yeah,
And that pullback, that was a good one.
let's see. But how much is that? 82, 4 points is 1600. Okay, that's not that crazy. 200 contracts. Haha, yes, sir. Let's paper trade. Let's practice for the future. And but that's 200 contracts on MNQ. I should have gone heavier. I should have gone 200 contracts on NQ. We are risking what, 7K? Okay. Um, so let's see. We have what did I say? Like almost 100K account, a little bit less, like $55 less. Can we can we make what should be the goal for that account? For the streaming purposes only. Like, no, I won't trade paper trade like when I'm not on the stream, but on the stream we could do like let's say 500K or 350 first. Let's go with 500, 5 times the money.
There you go.
Yeah, why not? So far, so good. We are up 6K here. Bro, that would be crazy. I mean, why not? How they say you have to become it first and then it will come. So now we are becoming it. We just fixed that 10-minute
Order
candle,
filled.
right? Yeah, we did.
Yep. You called it.
Now look at the 30-minute. That was a nice big candle. Then a doji, perfect doji. And can we have another big candle here? Yep. Let's see.
Believe it or not, I am short.
Yeah, I mean, I believe you. If I wasn't 200 contracts in, I would go maybe short two here because we are somehow rejecting. We were not able to make higher high, it seems.
Yeah, it's just I listened to you when you said, we need to repair that candle, but my bias was short ever since we closed below that 9 EMA. So here we are.
Oh, what is this? What kind of feature is this?
I
What
want to see
kind of
like
feature is
7/8s, or if that's possible. 7/8s.
Okay. You managed to log in Tradesy? Like this rhythmic thing?
Not yet.
Mhm.
Still figuring it out.
You're waiting for my 774 area to along with the tight stop. Okay. Okay, 774. Why not? You have your area. I mean, might be a nice liquidity sweep. We had resistance here and bounce. Why not? I could see that happen, but Okay, I think I'm gonna go out from this 200 contracts, or you know what? I'm just gonna place my stop loss in profit here. I don't want to risk money because at the end of the day, this is real money, no paper account. I don't know what are you talking about, guys.
Yeah, I just put my stop in profits, so
Yeah, same.
not any loss on this.
Same, but you are short time long, so okay.
Exactly. But no one loses.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I am up about 20 points.
Okay, we are. Let's stop that because so we made like $900.
There you go. The outcome is income.
Yeah. Now we can go again. But now we can adjust this to 400. That's half. That's half of the portfolio. There we go. Again, long. Mm, 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 This is fun, actually. You see, when I trade without any pressure of like losing, I actually trade amazing.
Hmm. All right. Stopped out in profits.
Let's go.
There
I'm printing. I'm up 10K.
you
Stop
go.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
that was a good entry on them.
We are up 10K W in the chat, guys. Come on. This is real trading. No, no BS. Oh, I just took like 3/4 of the position out.
Yeah, yeah. I am thinking about grabbing another short here. I just wanted it to go a little higher into these 20s. Chilling out right now.
Sounds good.
The risk reward is there right here. So I'm in. Little short here. Come on. Is it not going to
Order
capture
filled.
my entry? There we go. Okay, there's a little lag. There's a little bit of lag. All right, but oh, look at that. Now I think it might want to go. It
Mm-hmm.
might actually go here.
They just secured like 10, $10,420 profits.
Easy.
And we still have only 50 runners. Imagine how crazy this is. Only 50 runners.
Mm-hmm.
Usually 50 is full porting.
Normally, but
No, no.
because we're rich now, we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, exactly. Right. We are. Good
Mm-hmm.
morning, good evening, everyone. Again, make sure you say good morning. Make sure you say good evening. Make sure you say shut up or whatever you have on mind.
All right, I'm short at 826.75.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See if they can stop me out. My stop is at 840. So, if you're in longs right
Makes
now, you
sense.
want to
Yeah.
see 840,
If you're in longs now, close your positions. My
Mm,
brother here went short, so.
that's right. I will be your liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
If you can, if you
No, I
can.
guess they will be yours.
Yep, yep. That is also my plan. It just the longs look so juicy. Pause.
But you prefer shorts.
Prefer. Oh
Ah,
man.
damn. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are we trading prop? Right now, just paper trading because I hit my daily loss on one account on the prop firm, so I decided just to go with paper trading just for fun. But usually, yeah, usually we are on prop firm. This
Uh,
is this is just for fun now.
yeah. Okay. See if the buyer's gonna do anything, or they just playing.
I know playing.
Buyers look like they playing games. All right. Polaris, Discover, Account Center, Prop Firms. All right. Let's connect. Rhythmic. I don't see that. Tradeify, Blue Sky, Edge Prop, Funded Seat, Fund Your Edge, Onyx, blah, blah, blah. Profile. R. No rhythmic.
Oh, maybe I couldn't adjust it. Why I cannot adjust it? Okay, I can.
Lucid, Tradeify, Edge Prop, Fund Your Edge. Trade entry, Y, Shark, YT, Edge Prop. You go to Apex.
I
Yeah.
closed the long. Closed
Oh,
that long.
shit. Yeah, yeah.
And
I'm
I
exactly.
joined you in the short.
My short is green right now. Did
Let's
pretty
go.
good.
Let's go.
I mean, what? NQ doing a false breakout? No way. That never
Well,
happened.
let's say I dumped top step Tuesday, had enough of their pass for trading personal. We get another prop later this one. Yeah, I heard the top step actually got worse last couple of weeks, maybe months. I was heavy in top step. I liked it. But then I don't know what they changed something or whatever. So yeah. And right now I'm trading with Apex and I'm okay with that. You pay less.
Stop filled.
Oh, okay. I got stopped out and it's pushing. So um
Oh, I got stopped
Apex,
out. Yeah.
I like Apex because you can pay this you pay the accounts less and then you have to pay more when you fund them, but it works somehow it works better for me. And you can pass them in one day. Only
I
thing you
like
have,
that. I do like
yeah, I
that.
like that. I like that very much. Okay, they take that away when you get funded, then you have to have like 50% cons consistency. And I'm not sure if I like that 50% or 1,000 bucks daily loss limit. I'm not sure if I like that or not. I like the company, but the platform is disastrous. Top step. Wait, top step, top step, top step X. I don't know. I liked it somehow. I like the fact that you can connect your hotkeys, like sync your hotkeys, and I was for scalping for me for scalping it was good. I went I went in and out like with the press of a button. So and adjusting the contracts and partial TPs and everything. So for- in that case, like from that point of view, I liked it. Top step. Yeah, top step
Oh,
X.
did you know on Rhythmic you can get a 250K account right now for $17?
What?
No way. Apex has a deal. You can get a 250K eval on Rhythmic for $18, $17, but there is a live trailing stop. But
Oh,
not like we haven't dealt with that before. The live trailing stop is 6,500
okay. Wait
or
a minute,
two.
but directly on Rhythmic.
Yeah, it's only on Rhythmic though. It's the only thing, which is annoying. No one likes Rhythmic personally. I'm no one. I don't
But
like
I don't
Rhythmic
mind that. I don't mind
for $18.
trading on for $18.
It's not bad. $6,500 trailing. 30 days. To pass. You can pass in a single day. I mean, yeah, the profit target's 15K. It's not too bad, and you can do
Oh,
27
that's
minutes.
okay.
Yeah, which
I
is
mean, that's realistic.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, shoot, you can go crazy with six minis and make like 9K in a trade, no problem. So active
Hmm.
subscriptions, active PAs up there. Just trying to see like your on Redneck second session.
Yeah, top step X round. Yeah, top step X. I don't know. I don't know if they changed something. I haven't traded with them now over a month, so I'm not sure. But I started with top step. Everybody was telling me, "Oh, I don't like top step," but they had no consistency rules on funded accounts. There was no daily loss limits. You had to pass the account actually in 2 days. So there was a consistency rule on evaluation, but on funded account, I believe there was none. So yeah, only thing that annoys me a little bit, not even annoys me, but that I would like that it's different is all these prop firms give you like 50 or 60 contracts or 5 or 6 contracts maximum on the evaluation. And then once you get funded, they cut that to 2 or 20 if you're trading micros. So I would like that stays the same. Give me 20 for the evaluation and for the funder, or give me 50, doesn't matter, but just don't change that because I get used to it and then I have to adapt. I have to change.
Hey, so they're doing that on every. You can do a 250K account on Tradeway
Oh,
for
really?
$18, $18.
Okay, that's new.
Now,
I haven't
once
seen
you
that.
pass it, you got to pay 180.
Oh, okay. But
For the
okay.
PA, for the
Yeah,
PA
yeah.
account. But
Uh,
if you make four 250K accounts and you pass them all right, you have $1 million of trading capital, and you're gonna pay
yeah.
$800 altogether, roughly.
Mm.
And yeah, but you just got to hit 15K to get that profit target.
But you cannot, right? You're not able on Apex. You're not able to copy trade the evaluation account. Only PAs.
Is that right?
I'm not sure. I'm asking.
I didn't know Apex had anything against copy trading.
No, but
Yeah.
I did not see the option to copy trade like link accounts.
Hmm.
So I don't know. Maybe I just did not search good enough.
Hmm. Not sure. Not
I
sure.
got I got 3 rogue orders executed. I didn't order on Tuesday. Stopped out in middle of 7 trades. I cut trades in profit only to have a negative.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Their explanation is always slippage. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. See, I wasn't experiencing that kind of slippage back then. Uh, I did.
Order
For
filled.
example, on a high volatility time like New York Open and things like that, then it was crazy, but I wasn't trading that time, so I was okay with it. Um, but yeah, that's different. That's other pair of shoes, how they say. So yeah, sorry to hear that, but that's why they say you always have to make sure that you have no issues with the prop firm. Forget them. Yeah, that's the best. I think,
The
I mean,
people
I don't know.
know
I think
if
eight.
there's no what are you saying?
No, no, all good. Go, go.
Oh, yeah, no, I was gonna say that everyone I know who's successful with Apex, they only make like 100 a day, and then they go away, and they have multiple
Hmm.
accounts.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Makes sense. That also makes sense. But
Mhm.
yeah, what he said, like I wanted to say like that I guess Apex and what was the other one? That are in the game the longest. So I
Mm.
guess you have to go with the company who's been in the game the longest.
It's always the safe bet.
There's still
I want to meet someone who trades like oil or cattle, who kills it,
okay, okay.
who kills it like 2 days a week or something, and walks away.
Uh,
Show me your ways of trading the cow.
the cow. Okay. What you're
Man, that's
offering for the
crazy.
cow?
Or do you leave your trades open and
You leave
accidentally
your cows open.
you know do you trade on your own personal account, you trade cattle, and then the contracts roll over and you have to go pick up cattle? is this is this what you're dealing with, you
You
cattle
bring some cows
traders?
in the middle of the DC of New York City.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Please come pick up your cattle from the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, we've got a black, a blue, and a red cow.
All of them, huh?
You got to be bullish if you got to pick up cattle.
Yeah. And I'm scalping this. We are up. We are at 115,520 bucks.
I went long at the 90 in May, and I am getting crushed right now.
Yeah, I actually followed your TA. You said short, I went short, I got stopped out, and then I went short again.
Yeah, that's short. That's short from the top would have been sweet, but
Yeah.
yeah, I just don't know who to trust, the Bulls or the Bears right now.
Trust yourself.
That's
Hmm.
the best way to go.
Let's see. So we secured now realize 7,300 from your trade. And before that we lost 37.50. So 4 and plus the unrealized still above 2K. So okay, okay, not too bad. With this structure is time we might revisit the 90s again. So let's risk what we made for continuation down. I cannot.
Good morning, good evening once again, everyone. Make sure you say good morning or good evening. And if you have any questions, keep them for yourself. Oh, sorry, it's Friday. I'm going for it.
I'm just doing some push-ups while I wait for my fate to be decided.
Okay.
Will we
Might
pump?
do the
Will we
same
dump?
actually. I might do the same. Okay, let's go, everyone. At least 10 pieces. At least. I'm gonna get stopped. Yep. And we are out. Okay. Maybe I bet that, yeah, 109. Okay.
Mhm.
Are we in? We are in again.
Surprised it didn't get me. Came
Nope.
close to my stop. It didn't get me though.
Patient. Who tops the round of patience? Who is the patient? Patient or patient? But
Yeah, for patient.
patient. Patient. Hmm. Patience. Patience being patient.
Still in the game.
Yeah, I can smell the push up here, like a bounce.
Man,
Okay. So this became a little bit slow down. It's calling up for something. I'm not sure if it wants to, like, by the feeling I would say this should have a like a blast off, but from how it looks, I would say it will come down to the 90s at least again. But by the feeling I would say it will just woof, go for it. Let's see.
yeah, I kind of see that too. I see it pushing up. It's just that we're pushing on the high of the session, so we're getting a little resistance. But
Mm,
remember when it happens that we called it that it's going to the 60s or the 80s.
yep, yep. I mean, we called the drop on Monday too, and Tuesday, so
You called the drop yesterday too. To
and it's
the
true. Before we left, I said, yeah, but
hmm?
again, I wasn't. Yeah, I haven't said you. I had told you before we started the stream. Like I said, I won't be surprised, although I was a little bit surprised when I saw it.
Mhm. It was a big drop,
It was a
and
very
it
nice
went
drop, yeah.
it went the opposite
All
direction
of
before it did it.
Yeah, because if we trended the whole day down, okay, fine. But it was a drop, like
Straight down.
straight down. Yeah.
Mhm.
That I was not expecting that. So
Well, those are the most unexpected moves when it goes straight down. It's like,
yeah, and I called, I believe, 29K on Monday, um, on the Zoom in the ready. So I have some lower targets, but then we ended up going higher. So I was like, okay, never mind. Let's see. And yesterday we came close, but not close enough. Maybe next week.
not quite close enough.
Oh.
All right. Yep, this looks pretty bearish right now.
It looks like a perfect bear flag on 30 seconds.
Huh?
There we go. But this is fun.
Stop,
Like I
stop
can go
filled.
up in
Stop
with
filled.
550 contracts.
All right.
Like 5 points, 5K. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.
I guess it's fun when it's green. If it becomes red, then it's not that fun. How many contracts do you trade, guys? 100, 150, 300,
1,000.
1,000.
Not trading 1,000 contracts. You're not a real trader. Get out of
Yeah.
here.
How big of papers do you count do you have? Where did
Sheesh,
you
that'd be simple.
where did you set your limits or your I don't know? Okay, we are stopped out. We are not stopped out. What is this thing? We should have been stopped out. There we go. We are still in profit. We still are up like $600. I gave back like 15K, but funny. Now my question is this a fake out? Opa, is this a fake out that we're gonna come down? Or is what we said and we will just continue pushing? I will go with the fake out and probably be wrong.
Oh, you can run Rhythmic on Tradify, bro.
What? You can.
Yeah, Tradify has somewhere where you can run Rhythmic on there.
Yeah, but Tradify has no. Tradify has their own platform to
That's
trade.
what
No,
it's saying. I'm reading some stuff right now.
from what I understood, Tradify you buy the account there, and then you have to go again to TradeC or
Yeah.
to TradeAway. You don't trade on Tradify.
Let's see.
Or
Where?
maybe they changed something. I don't know.
rtraderpro.rhythmic. All right, we're going in.
But what, the TradeC does not work for you, or what?
Trade C wasn't there was no rhythmic option on there.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they confused maybe something, but I believe when I bought Rhythmic, I traded it via TradeC. And that was, I believe, on Tradify.
Apex.
They're pushing, pushing, pushing.
It stopped me out right before this push.
Yeah, but wait, now I'm confused. Okay, with this Rhythmic thing.
And Q. Wait, it's a big Q. Of course, it doesn't say. Yeah, of course. Chicago. Rhythmic is so confusing sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Apex. Duh. Maybe. Maybe this will work. No.
No, but Apex also doesn't have. You need to find the trading platform that supports Rhythmic account.
I thought I did. Thought I did, but I did not. Yeah. Says Apex right there, but that's not it, is it? That's not it, is it? Nope, it's not. I'm so confused. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call my boy tomorrow and help him set that up because this thing is tripping because they got all these drop
Whoa.
downs when you're logging in on Rhythmic. It's crazy.
Quant Tower, Sierra Chart, Trade Platform, Book, Motivate, no. If you retain them, depending on your account, Apex commonly supports connections through TradeAway and Rhythmic. Yeah, but
Literally
when
hit
you
my
trade,
stop. Wow, it hit my stop to the tick, and then it did this
nice.
big move.
But now
All
we are
right.
down on this paper trading account. Now I lost some, how much? 30K, 20K.
All right. Well, hey, this is how you all right, I think I want to short the top, but
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
just
I
don't
was
break
thinking
out now.
the same.
Trust no one. All right, let's short the
Order
top
filled.
because we can. Yeah. Why not?
Let's just blow up top, blow off top. Is it time to go long? To the 80s finally? Is it? Let's try it.
Might not be a bad idea because I'm short. So
So
they want
somebody
to,
will make money.
yeah, yeah.
At the clock hour, we might slow down also. It's 1 o'clock. We just got the new candle.
New hourly candle activated. Mm, 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 mm.
Okay. So since today there are short hours, I think the stream will be also quite short.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Oh, here we go. It's trying to take off. New highs, new highs, new highs of the session. I'm probably gonna just close this for a loss on a pullback. And that could be the worst thing to do because it could just drop like it's hot. But
yeah.
I'm gonna save $5. Oh,
Stop
never
filled.
mind. I'm stopped out. Stopped it out. Going long was the answer.
Yeah. Now
All
will
right.
Mason taking profits or or not?
Uh,
Not yet. I will let this
all
run. And
right.
we are
Okay.
back. We are back in profit
Order
zone.
filled.
Are we? Yes, sir.
Yeah. There
Imagine,
you go.
imagine 25,
There you go.
26K up. What the heck? That would be amazing.
Nice. Very nice.
I'm not sure I would be able. I know. I'm sure I would be able to stand that. Why not?
Why the
It's
hell
just the
not?
number. It's just the number.
Order filled.
I just went long and scalped some profits real quick.
Let's go. made back the losses for the short or?
Not quite, not quite.
Okay.
I was a little late for that. A little late for that, but
Wow.
still went pretty well.
35K. Jesus.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I'm tempted to get one of these legacy accounts for $18.
Yeah, sounds
250K.
interesting. Sounds interesting.
So I love getting 150K accounts and passing those, but I always wanted a
Yeah.
250K. And you only pay 200 when you pass. That's how much you pay on 200 is what you pay for a 150K account on
Mhm.
my favorite prop firm. I can't think of their name. Take Profit. But that trailing drawdown, that could be a problem.
I don't like that at all. I did one account or like trailing 25K,
Hmm.
and actually I did good, but I scalped. So, but on the next one I already do it immediately, so I did not like that.
If we had a cheat code day, because sometimes there's these days in the market where it's just easy, you know. We've had a couple of those lately. That would have been the
Mm,
perfect time to
mm,
trade, but when they have a consistency rule on the paid accounts, that's when it's like
yeah.
it doesn't really help that much.
Come on, 7 more points to TP, bro. If we TP this will be the biggest take profit of my life. Although it's just a paper trade, but it's still nice to see.
Yeah, still happened. Still happened. So
If you just joined and you thought this is my real money, you were right. This is the real money. This is the real trade.
hmm
Yeah. Will we tap that 80? There we go. Can we close this? Yes,
Yes,
take
sir.
TP. Yes, bro, bro. This was nice. This was nice. I mean, look, it was a paper trade. Let's be real. It was a paper trade, but it was a nice TA. We called it 80, like where? Here. And then we had this drop down. Now we chopped around here. We had a breakout. Uh, this, and I'm on 30 seconds. This is what I'm looking when we are in this kind of situation. But that's just me. And same thing can happen on any time frame. So we had the breakout here. I thought maybe it's a fake breakout. I went short. I got stopped immediately. I saw this kind of triangle or flag or whatever respecting the 9 EMA. I was like, okay, let's long the top and aim for the 80s, and voila. We
Voila.
realized on this trade, we realized $57,645. Nice.
It's very nice.
Nice. That
Yeah.
was just a rehearsal for the future. So yeah. But
Yeah, we
TA
did.
was on TA was right. And that what matters. If you had 5 contracts or 630 contracts, that's I think less important. And
Right.
look at this. Now are we rejecting the 80s or not really? Not really. Okay.
Kind of push through first and then we'll reject. So
Yeah.
probably
But
a little bit higher and then we'll reject and then we'll consolidate and then, eventually we'll push to the 920s, maybe a little above. And then I'm expecting to see a wick on a higher time frame, like 15 minutes to an hour. We're going to go above
mm,
920 and then wick and then drop down and that'll start like a little downtrend. And I don't know if that's going to hold.
mm,
Or if the Bulls are going to continue to push us through the day, but I wouldn't expect to see much action until, you know, the London New York crossover. Got plenty of time. So, yeah. We'll see. I'll see when I wake up. I'm not excited. I lost 4 or 5 trades back to back. So they stopped me out and then went in my original direction. So it was my entry. It's nobody's fault but mine. I had a pretty bad entry. So if you were in with one of my original entries and you had a nicer stop loss, then you probably did pretty well. Shout out to you, But
shout out to you. Yeah.
Wasn't the best session for me. I was really only risking $100 total for the whole session, so not the end of the world. We're gonna come back and get them next time.
Yeah, you know that.
Yeah, no. All right, so that's about it for now, y'all. Thanks for tuning in to The Price of Patience. Don't forget, the price of patience is always cheaper than the price of regret.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and if you're interested in joining the Red E, definitely join the Red E, where we do shout out amazing options trades every day. So you can always hop in to options. You can trade futures with us for free at night. That's pretty much everything, man. So look forward to hearing from y'all.